Hi, Rolf here. Thanks for joining me again this week. You know, I get asked by building owners all the time how they can make better sustainability decisions. And I usually turn it back on them and ask them, a couple of questions. Do you think maintenance is the same as sustainability? Or is maintenance a way to get to sustainability? Why do I ask? Coatings are a part of the roofing market now, more than ever. And it's unconventional thinking for many. The question is, how did we get there? Why are building owners thinking about coating solutions? Many are unhappy because of the long lead times that we've experienced the last 2 years with conventional products in the roofing industry. They're frustrated that the roofs don't last long enough and they're looking for a way to extend the life. They're concerned about the environmental impact if they tear off a roof and the whole thing goes to the landfill. And they're worried about the financial impact to their capital budget if they have to do a complete re-roof. So therefore, coatings have become popular. But let me be clear about a couple of things. If your roof is shot, it has to get torn off and thrown away. You cannot put pixie dust on the roof and make an old roof perform. The other knock I hear all the time about coatings is people say, well, once you coat something, you have to recoat it. Okay? And my question then to them is, what's your point? I've got a picture of George Washington's house here, Mt Vernon. If you've never been there, it's a beautiful building. It's 250 odd years old. And if you've been there, you know it's got these blocks. It looks like a beautiful stone mansion. It's all wood. The siding is beveled wood. They have maintained that building in the condition that George Washington left it when he passed in 1799. They do periodic coatings, paint, on that building. If they hadn't, it would have fallen apart 200 years ago. But through regular maintenance, regular coatings, that building will last for centuries more. The same philosophy can apply to your roof. So here's the real question. Is sustainability actually just good maintenance? If any of this intrigues you, resonates with you, you'd like to talk some more, let me know. My contact information is in this post. And as always, don't forget to follow me at LinkedIn, YouTube, and Rumble at #RolfTheRoofingGuy. Make it a great day.